There's our bell. Okay, so we're still showing, I mean, the Qs are showing the most strength, just slightly up after being down about 0.5%. It was all vacation, yeah, Mickey. All vacation, just me and my wife. Which I was saying, even, and you guys know when we're gone, we're still running the rooms. Scott's running the room from Florida, from Colorado, from Mexico. I'm in Panama. Let's see, that was Target. And I thought that was interesting that Target rallied, as you would think it would have. All these markets are pulling back a little bit here. So Target it pulled back into the zone after rallying here, and now it's really coming off. This is interesting. Is it gonna hold that 50? It's just kind of a matter of what the markets are gonna do. Let's see if it, let's see here. I know Caterpillar was up overnight. That makes sense. That's pulling back and holding the 50 right now. But we're seeing the PFE in DMI's going up, but this PFE diving like this is going to keep me away from it. If you said, Mike, hey, we got to trade something, I would be looking at this level here again